In this video, we will see how to add any playlist in watch letter. This is my watch letter. You can see that there is no video. So we will have a playlist added directly in one click. For this, we have to install an extension. So we will go to extensions, visit web store. Here we will search YT watch letter extension, YT watch letter assist. So this extension I will add it to the Brave. Now it's asking to add extension. I will click yes, add extension. Now extension will be added here. See, now the extension is added. I will pin this extension on my Brave browser. Now I will close this window. Now I will search for any playlist. Suppose I take anyone. Suppose anything here. Now you see lots of playlist came. So I will select any playlist filter. I will go here, filter, playlist. So lots of, suppose this has having 95 videos. So I will click view full playlist. Nothing is showing here with the extension details. So I will refresh it one time. After refreshing, a green tab will come, add playlist to watch. I will click it. Now it's showing loading playlist videos. We will wait for few minutes. It will add to this. Now green is came, playlist added to watch letter. Let me check. I will check, click watch letter. It is all coming. I will close it. I will switch off this extension, close the tab, refresh it again. Let us see all playlists is added in one click. Thank you for watching.